Dreaming of a space na strategic, modern, convenient at reasonable sa budget? Welcome to Studio 7 by Philinvest, your next ideal home or investment. Located in a prime area near everything for you. Perfect for end use or passive income. Inquire na, limited units na lang ang available. Ito ang aming 23 square meter studio. Ito ang aming turnover. Very spacious. Tsaka naka-finish na siya. Appliances and furnitures na lang. Pwede mo na siyang tirhan, i-set up for Airbnb or i-rent out for steady long-term income potential. Ito naman ang aming function rooms, perfect sa gatherings, events, and meetings. At ito naman ang aming alfresco bar. At meron din kaming infinity pool kung saan pwede kayo mag-relax, mag-unwind, at mag-enjoy kasama ang chikiting. Perfect for weekend, refresh, or after work. Meron din kaming open space, which is alfresco area kung saan pwede kayo mag-exercise, yoga, or simply breathe fresh air. Everything you need for comfort, lives, and balance, andito na. At ito naman ang aming Studio 7 Mall. Nandito na lahat. So very convenient. And then 1 minute away lang from MRT station. So, inquire na.